Hello, everyone. I'm wanting you to stop saying the word try. Try is evil. Try robs you of accountability. Try tells no one what you're going to do. Now, I know that try is an innocuous word that has nothing to do with lack of accountability when it comes from a person who has shown consistent positive behavior of coming through for us in the clutch. But when you say try to someone who has yet to establish some rapport with you and there's been no identified trust factor, your try to them is ambiguous, which means it's wishy washy. There's nothing solidified. For example, if you say to someone, I'll try, I'll do my best, I'll see what I can do, that tells them nothing. And all they're hearing is ambiguity. Instead, say, let me make a few phone calls. I'll contact you within 2 hours to give you a status update. Now, no matter what happens in those 2 hours, you can still follow through on what you said. When you say to someone, I'll try to get this finished by noon today. Let's say you know it's going to take you to at least 11 o'clock a.m. Tell them you have it done by 4 p.m. That way, when you get it finished by 3 p.m., you've exceeded their expectations because you've replaced try with quantifiable information. People are wanting to know results. People are wanting to know that they can count on you. As we are transitioning through COVID, still adapting, still getting acclimated, still adjusting, people need some certainty of what they can count on. Make sure that you're the kind of person that when they speak with you, when they communicate with you, you're giving them validity, not about what you'll try to do, but about what you know you can do. Do these things and you'll improve your overall communication. I'll see you all soon.